quiet village by the mountains, lived a girl named Laila. She was known for her bright smile, but inside, she often felt small and unnoticed. Laila dreamed of doing something big, something that would make a difference, but she didn't know how. Every evening, she sat outside her small house and watched the lanterns glowing in the windows of other homes. To her, each lantern seemed to say, "You belong. You are safe." Laila wished she could shine like that too. One day, the village faced a problem. A heavy storm came and broke the wooden bridge that connected the village to the nearby town. The town was where people bought food, medicines, and clothes. Without the bridge, the villagers were stuck. The elders gathered and said, "We must repair the bridge, but we cannot see at night, and the days are too short." People were worried. How could they finish such hard work before supplies ran out? That night, Laila sat in her room, thinking. Suddenly, her eyes fell on a small lantern her grandmother had given her. It was old and simple, but when she lit it, the warm glow filled her heart. She thought, maybe my lantern can help. The next morning, while the villagers worked on the bridge, Laila brought her lantern. She placed it on a tall rock so it could shine over the workers. At first, people laughed. "One small lantern cannot help us," they said. But as the evening came, and darkness slowly covered the valley, the little lantern gave just enough light for the workers to continue. Seeing this, other children in the village ran to bring their own lanterns. Soon, the whole place was glowing with little lights. With so many lanterns together, the workers could see clearly, and the bridge was finished much faster than anyone expected. When the work was done, the villagers cheered. The elder of the village looked at Laila and said, "You reminded us that even the smallest light can guide the way. Without your idea, we would still be waiting in the dark." Laila's heart filled with joy. She realized she didn't need to be the biggest or the strongest to make a difference. She only needed courage to share the light she already had. From that day on, whenever Laila looked at her little lantern, she smiled. She knew that every person, no matter how small, carries a light that can help the world.